Hello everybody, my name is Yuriy, and today for my friend John Spikowski I'm going to show you how you can capture generated SQL queries by Acumatica. So as you can see, I will remove some checkboxes, and very important is include cached SQL results. And now when I refresh this screen, when I click here, refresh results, no records found. But when I click Log SQL and then include cached SQL results, then I click refresh button, then here I click refresh results, and boom, you can see we have something here. Let's analyze what we have here. Here we have refresh, and if I click on view SQL, boom, here we have plenty of SQL queries which that refresh executed. Let's analyze what kind of SQL queries it had. So this one, honestly, I have no clue, but this one is kind of interesting. And if we make form view, we can see what kind of stuff it had. Yeah, then let's look for another row. But you can see that simple refresh in Acumatica, it has plenty of data. Like, for example, it also analyzed users. Boom, you can see what kind of users it took. And let's try to find SQL which takes customers. And this doesn't look like what we're looking for. Let me look on this guy. Tables, watchdog, users, AR invoice, AR register, customer, B account. So this looks like good candidate. And here we have some SQL query. Doesn't seem like what we are looking for, but you can see it calculates. Like if we get back to here, we have 45 records. So probably this is the one which counts, which gets count. And let me look on this guy. Boom. Select top 20. So this one looks to me like SQL query which Acumatica generated in order to get list of customers on this screen, and like 1 of 21 mentioned here. And as you can see here we have select top 20. So here we have SQL query with pagination. John, I will look forward for your like and subscribe.